In today's video, we'll be discussing e-commerce and why every business needs an online store. What's up guys, I'm ForteSpy and this is your tech sequence. So did you know that by the end of the year 2025, global e-commerce sales will be hitting an incredible $7.4 trillion? That's right. So if your business is not online, you might just be missing out on huge opportunities. So what exactly is e-commerce and why is it absolutely crucial for every business entrepreneur in 2025? I'll suggest you stick with us because at the end of this video, you'll understand why having an online store is not just nice to have, it's a must to have. So let's get started. So in the simplest terms, e-commerce or electronic commerce is all about buying and selling goods and services online. So I would like you to think of popular platforms like AliExpress, Alibaba, Amazon, eBay, Jumia, Konga, or even that boutique on your street that is showcasing their goods on Instagram for sale. These are all examples of e-commerce stores. The good news here is that e-commerce is not only for big players. Just about anyone can jump into e-commerce. So whether you're selling handmade craft, digital courses, or consulting services. And here's the interesting part. E-commerce is advancing faster than ever. So with innovations like AI-powered shopping, voice searches, and even metaverse stores, the landscape of buying and selling online is shifting very fast. And businesses that embrace these changes are the ones that will succeed. So one question we need to ask ourselves is, why is e-commerce so essential in 2025? Let's look at some numbers. 95% of sales that are made daily always begin online with a simple Google search. If you want to buy yourself an ultra-wide monitor, you will go on Google and search ultra-wide monitors. If you want to buy yourself a particular shoe, you will always go to Google and place a search. Even if you end up in a physical store, the journey of purchasing that product always starts with a simple Google search. Research has also shown that 73% of online sales are made from smartphones. So mobile shopping is set to take the lead. And also for online stores that leverage AI, research has also found out that they make 30% more sales due to AI. So if your business is not online, you're basically invisible to potential customers who are likely to patronize you. And that's just the fact. So in 2025, it's not just about having a website or an online store. It's about staying ahead of the curve. Let's look at some trends that are currently reshaping the e-commerce landscape. We have AI shopping assistants. These are chatbots that recommend products to you just like a personal shopper. We also have augmented reality try-ons. This enables customers to experience the try before you buy. They're usually present on clothing and home decor stores. Then we also have voice commerce. There are some online stores that you visit and all you need to do is you speak to this store. I want a certain product and the product appears. You can also place an order online for a particular product by speaking. So the real question here is, should I set up an online store? And the answer is a big yes. So I'm sure you'll be asking yourself, how do I start off with an e-commerce store? With WordPress and WooCommerce, over 28% of online stores today are powered by this combination. And the good thing is that it's free and requires little or no technical knowledge to start off. If you're curious to start off yours, you could send me a message telling me what your store is about and what you want to sell, and I will send you a quote in no time. Check in the description box below. You see a link to our Discord channel. You can simply join and go to server support and send a message and I will definitely respond to you. So the main takeaway here is that e-commerce is not the future, it's actually the present. And businesses who overlook e-commerce stand a risk of being left behind. In fact, they will be left behind. The good thing here is that you can easily start your journey into e-commerce today. Just send us a message and we'll be glad to help you. So if you found this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.